Now, the next one we're going to look at is active session count. So if we go back into the browser, instead of looking at here, we can see this here. We can see we've got a couple of different issues flagged up here. We've got one around memory percentage, CPU load, and also this active sessions has gone above the layer we'd expect. But rather than looking at it here with just the error messages, what we can do is we can actually go over to here and look at our dashboards. So a dashboard is a visualization of the data we're gathering from the backend system. So if I go down to Documentum Performance, what I can see here is not only the active sessions that are being captured and the evaluation for that active session. So we can see we're breaking that. So the number of active sessions has gone higher than we would expect. What we can also do, and we don't have to do that, but we have got that capability for infrastructure monitoring, which a lot of the Documentum administrators find useful because it may be gathered by another team as well, but it allows them to quickly look at how the servers are performing. We can look at things like CPU load and the memory percentage committed for those backend content servers as well. So we can see now that the active sessions has gone far higher than the expectations for the system. Maybe we've had additional users have come on board. Maybe we have a server has gone down that we need to restart. But again, it's flagging this up to us, telling that the load on the servers has gone up, and also the number of active servers has gone up. Now, again, if we go back into the admin client and we look at this against the content server activity, again, we can see here we might have the ability to, for example, restart the application server. So in other words, that you can carry out multiple proactive actions dependent on the issue you have. And again, from that, you can see here, we have a whole collection of different actions you can carry out. There are some product-specific ones, for example, for Documentum, but there's also generic ones for things like restarting services, processes, etc., either locally or remote location. And then there's also the ability to do things like run PowerShell scripts. So you could run a PowerShell script to do really whatever you wanted to at that instance to complete that action.